Developing body paragraphs. Mastering the art for SAT and ACT essays. Hello learners! Today we're going to delve deep into the crux of essay writing. Developing body paragraphs. In the SAT and ACT essay sections, constructing strong and persuasive body paragraphs can set your essay apart. Let's unravel the mystery of creating powerful body paragraphs. The body paragraphs serve as the heart of your essay, carrying your main arguments, evidence, and analyses. Each body paragraph should focus on a single idea that supports your thesis statement. This idea is often introduced in a topic sentence at the beginning of the paragraph. A good body paragraph for the SAT and ACT essays typically follows a clear structure: topic sentence, explanation, evidence, analysis. 1. Topic sentence. Start with a sentence that introduces the main idea of the paragraph and ties it back to the thesis statement. 2. Explanation. Explain your topic sentence and give any necessary context. 3. Evidence. Provide concrete evidence to support your claim. This could be a fact, a quote, a statistic, or an example. 4. Analysis. Discuss how and why your evidence supports your main idea and connects to the thesis. Remember, it's not enough to just present facts or data. You must interpret and analyze them for your readers. To create persuasive arguments in your body paragraphs, start with a strong topic sentence that makes a clear point. Follow this with an in-depth explanation to provide context or background information. Then present solid evidence to back up your claim. Remember, your evidence should be factual, relevant, and convincing. Lastly, your analysis should link your evidence back to your thesis, showing how it supports your overall argument. It's this final step that really convinces your reader of your point of view. Transitions are the secret ingredient that make your paragraphs flow smoothly. They guide your reader from one idea to the next, making your essay coherent and easy to follow. You should use transitions at the beginning of the paragraph to connect it to the previous one, and within the paragraph to move between your explanation, evidence, and analysis. Developing strong body paragraphs is an essential skill not only for your SAT and ACT essays, but for all types of academic writing. Practice your skills, focus on clear structure, and always remember to link your ideas back to your thesis. We hope this video has provided valuable tips for your essay preparation. Happy writing, and we'll see you next time.